Mohammad Saif and Saksham Shukla playing. So this is the event which we're having, the first event, the inaugural hangout of the UP32 nights. We've just gone live, and this is the top board where two players with a very high rating of 1800 are playing each other. Saif has begun with the Berlin. Bishop back to h5 by Saksham. Bishop to c4. Knight c6. Okay, so this is the top board where we are playing the two top high rated players. And let's come to board 4 where we have on the board, if you can see, this is the, so we've already moved towards the mid game over here on board 4. In both 3 we have Shubham and Aparna analyzing their game right now. Okay. So next we'll move to board 2. We have Adib and Divyanshu.
Yeah. Our game just finished.
Your game just finished. Who won, guys?
Adib.
What variation was played? Do you guys remember the opening?
Italian.
Oh, you played the Italian opening. Very good. Okay. Guys, please begin your game. I'll just record the opening. Okay. So we have.
I had played knight.
Okay. So we have knight c6. So bishop to b4 and.
I don't remember.
I think this is the Grunfeld. No, this is the Grunfeld. Okay. Next. अरे guys, tables खाली मत छोड़ो. जो player नहीं है, table खाली है, बैठो and start playing. We have table 8. Ishan, right? Ishan and Ishan and Samir. Again, they have already gone into the end game right now. Kushagra and Vedant. Vedant was the first player on the top board. Kushagra is the one who designed the logo for UP32 Nights. So, okay, what variation has been played here?
Sideline of Alekine.
Okay, the sideline of Alekine has been played on this board. Vedant he looks pretty solid right now. Kush needs to up his game. Okay, and on this board we have Shashank.
Yes.
Shashank and who's Shashank is playing?
Abbas.
Shashank and Abbas are playing. Guys, please set your clocks. Avinash and Kushagra will play on board 5. Okay guys, play your opening so that I can record your opening. Okay, standard e4, e5. Okay, that's a little weird. That's a new variation, which is knight to. Okay, this is, if you guys can see, Avinash has played his knight to a6 and h6. Sorry, a3 and h3. तुम लोगों ने बोर्ड गलत लगाया guys. नंबर देख के तो बोर्ड लगाते ना. कोई बात नहीं. अभी कंटिन्यू. That's okay. Okay, so we have all the games rolling. Let's go back to our top board right now, which is, I believe, is heating up. Okay. If I could look at this, Saif's king side looks a little strong, queen side looks a little strong right now. He has long castled. Saksham's pieces are yet to be developed. His bishop is still on the first file. Let's go to board number 4. Over here, we haven't made much progress in the game. We're still there. Guys, after 3 games, take a break. Order something, let other players play.
This is third.
Huh?
This is third.
So take a break, take a 10-minute break. People who have not played, let them play. Okay, we have the... So Shubham opened with the Berlin, and then Aparna also played the Berlin defense. Okay, position looks pretty equal to me on this board. Okay.
We are just starting.
Okay, yeah, you have to start the game. Cool. Okay, so let's see if we made progress on board number 5. Okay. Okay, so he's a piece up. Black is a piece up. I'm not surprised by the amount of opening he had played by white, which was placing his knights to A3 and H3, which was a very new variation I had seen. I had never seen that. Meanwhile, Shashank and Abhas, they've played short castle. Meanwhile, board 7. This looks pretty equal to me between Kush and Vedant. Okay, this has already gone into the end game. Okay, Ishan has only 9 seconds on the clock. That's some pressure game. Guys, please don't forget to record your scores. And I think, so this is me, your host, and the organizer of this tournament, which is the Lucknow Chess Club, UP32 Knights. And this was our first stream, and we have a good number of people who've come. We have some audience members as well. And it's nice to see. And stay tuned, we will have more events. Thank you.